Today, I'm going to tell you how to legally steal someone's credit. Today, what we're going to talk about is becoming an authorized user to help increase your credit score, okay? It's basically like stealing someone else's credit without being illegal, okay? And when you go, basically you want to use someone that you know and trust and is very responsible. Maybe a parent, cousin, and basically what you do is you go to them and ask to become an authorized user on one of their credit card accounts. You receive the benefits of that credit history for that specific credit card. For example, you want them to have a credit card that has a high limit. It's been open for an extended period of time, probably 5 years or longer, and has a low revolving balance. Somewhere between 10 and 30% or even less is best. It's a simple phone call to the credit card company to become an authorized user. You probably need to do a 3-way call or all be there. Basically, they're just going to need your name, social security number, date of birth, maybe some other information. They're going to ask whether a new card should be sent out. I think that it's best to have a new card sent out, but have it sent to the address of the original person, the person that you're asking, and have them activate it, and then they keep it, okay? So there's no risk of you going out and charging a whole bunch of stuff on that credit card, because obviously that would affect them in a negative way. This is not co-signing in any way. And you don't have to be on that account for an extended period of time. So if you're an authorized user on this account for probably 3-6 months, they can actually, with a simple phone call and have you removed as an authorized user. And the benefit of being an authorized user, that stays on your credit report for the next 7 years. This can actually increase your credit score by anywhere from 50 to 150 points the very next time that credit card reports to the different credit bureaus, which is, they normally report every 30 days. So within 30 to 45 days, you could see your credit score go up by 50 to 150 points within 30 to 45 days, okay? So again, the keys that you want to remember, you want to ask somebody that you know and trust, ask to become an authorized user on their credit card that has a high limit, low balance, and they've had that credit card account for an extended period of time. 5 years or longer is best. There's literally no risk to them, because even though you receive the positive from that credit card history on your credit report, they don't get anything bad on their credit report from you if you have, late payments, judgments, anything. They don't receive any of that. So again, I hope you like this information. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and please let me know your thoughts. Let me know how this works out for you. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. See you next time.